Welcome to my channel. Today we are making yellowfin tuna bites. You can eat it as a whole sandwich or you can cut it in smaller pieces and serve it as an appetizer if you're having company. You can make a lot or as little as you want. And we're going to need a carrot, some green onions, and celery. We're going to chop the celery very fine. And 2 cans of tuna. We're going to drain them really well and get most of the water out. We want the tuna to be dry. We're gonna use the celery. We're gonna use celery, the green onions, mayo, carrots, paprika, sweet paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder as well. We're going to add the garlic, the onion powder, and the paprika to the mayo, and we're gonna mix well. Once it's mixed well, we're gonna set it aside and we're gonna take care of the tuna. See, the tuna is very dry. That's what you want. You don't want a wet tuna because once you put it on the bread, it's gonna get soggy and nobody likes a soggy sandwich or a soggy bite. And we add the celery, the green onions, and I saved a few green onions for decoration, and the carrots. Consider subscribing to my channel. Please give it a like, share it, and leave comments on the bottom if you have any questions. And all the ingredients are in the description box below too. We're adding the flavored mayo. That gives it a really good flavor, guys. So you have to try making this. And I like the consistency to be a little bit like pate. I added 1 tablespoon of mayo to that. You're gonna see, well, the next thing we're doing is we're cutting the edges of the bread and we're gonna use them for croutons. So I will make a recipe or a video of how to make croutons with that. So don't throw them away. We can still use that. There you have your bread. We add the tuna salad inside or between the bread. And we're gonna cut it in half and then we're gonna cut it in half again. And as I said before, these are wonderful appetizers if you have people coming over. You can keep them entertained eating that. And I was super hungry by the time I finished doing that. My goodness. It smells so good. There are a lot of different textures from the carrot, the celery, the onions. Absolutely delicious. You have to try it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.